In this session, we'll look at transitions and how we add them to our edit. We'll begin by navigating to the effects menu, which we can find by pressing the two right-facing arrows at the top of the project panel, and then finding effects. From here, we'll locate video transitions, dissolves, and then cross dissolve. To use a transition, you simply drag it from the effects menu and put it over the top of the two clips you would like to transition between.
We zoom to the bottom of the pool and we leap up out of the water.
This will add the transition, but it will use it at default duration. If you want to change the duration, you simply need to click and drag the handles on either side of the transition.
Get on the whale and we zoom to the bottom of the pool and we leap up out of the water.
So that's now looking about how I want it, and I think I want to add transitions to most of the other shots, but I think I want this one to be the longest one. So I'm just going to drag the other ones on and keep the default duration. So now we'll play back the sequence to see how it feels.
There's behavior in the show where we turn all the sprayers on, we get on the whale and we zoom to the bottom of the pool and we leap up out of the water, jump over the sprayers, come down with the whale. That's just plain fun. That takes you back to the day where you first imagined wanting to get into the water with the killer whale. That's exactly the reason why we do this.
And I like that this last shot doesn't dissolve in. I think it's good that we're cutting straight to the interview so that we can see who's been talking throughout this section. But I think we should fade to black at the end, so I'll just put the cross dissolve over the end of the video. And now we fade to black as we don't actually have a video for it to go to. I can also add a fade to audio, and we'll find that in a similar folder, but it'll be audio transitions rather than video transitions. And in crossfade, I'll find constant power, and I can drag that to the end of our music so that both the video and audio fade out at the same time.
The reason why we do this.
That concludes the session on adding basic transitions to your edit. So I'm going to save the project and we'll continue on with it next time.